Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a GIF or a sticker into your Google slide. Now, just to clear it out there, you can pronounce it either way is what I've learned. I just looked at this video to check it out, so it could be GIF or GIF. So however you want to pronounce it, we're just going to show you how you can actually add it into your slide. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are logged into your Google account and you are accessing Google Slides itself, which you can simply do by logging into your Google and searching for it by going to Google Slides. Once you do that, you go to your file, you go to a new presentation, and that'll land you exactly here where I'm seeing right here. You get to have your first slide, you add your title, and in this instance, we are going to add this into, when I say this, the sticker or the GIF into slide 2. So watch this wonder happen. And this is a really, really cool feature. It's relatively new as well. So first thing you want to do is go to the slide. This is slide 2 here. And then go to Insert at the top. As you can see, the Insert tab. Once you click Insert, go to Image. And to the right here, you should see this arrow that should lead you to GIFs and stickers, or GIFs and stickers. And you can see, as I told you, it's a totally new feature. Now you could tap that, click that, and once you do that, look to the right. You could see where it says Search GIFs and Stickers. You have a whole amount that you could start to pick here, whether it's Shaq that you want to pick or The Rock. They just list a whole bunch of them for you. Now, once all you do is you tap it, right? Or click it again and then insert. Either way, you see it says one selected and then you insert. So let's put it over here and you should see it. It says creating images and then you have it over here. Now you have the opportunity to treat it just like every other image that you insert into Google Slides, right? So let's just Control Z right back there, which is just to undo it. Now, another thing that you could do, let's go right back here again, go straight to it, image, GIFs and stickers, is add multiple, as you could see. So this instance, let's do The Rock and this nice little dog nodding here, and you see it says 2 selected. Of course, let's click Insert, and we should see those 2 in here and get the opportunity to move them around as we want to. All right, now I'm going to delete this just by tapping it, and as you can see, right-clicking it, you could delete, right-click it, you could delete, right-click it, and then you could delete. Now what I'm going to show you is how you can actually look for things or search for GIFs and stickers that you actually want. So let's click that again. And as you can see, it says search GIFs and stickers. So if I actually said good, or let's say smiling, or funny. I like funny. All right. So let's say funny here. It should show us a bunch of funny memes or stickers, as you can see. And so once I've searched it, I could pick it. I could pick whichever one I want over here. Now, the cool thing is you might wonder, well, which one's a sticker and which one's a GIF? Which one's a sticker? Which one's a GIF? Well, good thing is you can go to filter over here and then click GIFs, and all you see is GIFs. And you could click sticker and all you see is sticker. And it's pretty much the same, method. All you have to do is click it. The little tab shows up at the bottom here. You click insert and there it is right there. So that's how you could simply do that. And it's pretty cool. I like it. It makes things a whole lot easier instead of you having to download and try and insert it in some form or format into Google Slides. So once again, all you have to do is go to image, GIFs and stickers, and make all your selections here. And once you're done with the filter, you can just exit out and it closes out right there. And once you go right back to it, I think it starts right back from where you picked off. Yep. So that's pretty cool. So it sort of saves the history. So you could pick up, right where you left off. So that's really, really cool. Now, if this video was helpful, like it, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see content that's totally helpful and cutting edge so you can get on it right away. And till next time, take care.